In this video I'll show you how to drill, plug and screw into a brick wall. I'll show you how to drill into brick first and then a plastered wall as well. Now there's different types of plugs available. These are the three common ones that I use. Brown ones for more heavy duty things. The yellow ones are for smaller duty things. And the one I use the most is the red. So the red and the yellow, you need a 5.5mm drill bit. And for the brown ones, you use a 7mm drill bit. So the drill bit you want to use is a masonry bit. And if you look at the head on it, it's different to ones that go through wood or metal. Also, on your drill, you want to set it to hammer action and the drilling speed and speed 2. Okay, so offer it up to your wall and drill. Start off slower first, just till you get a bite. Okay. Now the depth you want to go depends on your plug and your screw. Whichever one's the longest, you want to go that far into the wall plus a little bit more. If you don't go in deep enough, when the screw goes in, it'll hit the brick at the back and start pulling out. So you want to go just a little bit deeper than the longest one. So the screw's longer than the plug, so we'll go for that. A little bit of masking tape. Okay. Offer up to your drill bit. Just a little bit further back. And that's for bare brick. Now when you come to a plastered surface, you want to be a bit more careful. So in one of my other videos, I showed you how to make a dust catcher. So if you don't want dust anywhere, use one of them. I don't recommend using a hoover because the fine brick dust tends to clog up the filters. But you can use a hoover if you want to. So decide where you want your hole, put your dust catcher in. Now if your plaster isn't the best, it may chip out. So what I suggest is take it off hammer action. And just start the hole going through the plaster. Then switch it back to hammer action. You hit your depth. Okay. Put your plug in the hole. If it doesn't go all the way in, little tap with the hammer. Put your screw in. Now I said about there being different size plugs. It also determines different size screws as well. The red ones are for 8 to 10 gauge. The brown ones are for 10 to 12. And the yellow ones are for under 8 gauge. Alright. There's the dust we stopped going on the carpet. Right, to remove the plug, isn't that difficult. Take the screw out, back in a little bit, hang it tight, and she'll pull straight out. If it's a little bit more stubborn, you can use a claw hammer. Just grab the screw and pull it out. Mind you don't damage your wall. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.